Hello everybody and welcome back to part 2 of the painting series adventure. Yeah, it's going pretty good so far. We've got the car torn down, mostly. Ooh, man, a lot of cleaning to do. We also got the paint booth set up, so we're about ready to put this thing in there and start sanding some more.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Cynthia?
Sorry, I'm taking the lights out.
Oh, very cool.
I've never done this before.
Oh, well, good time to learn.
First time for everything.
I'm gonna go show them the paint booth.
Okay, have fun.
So this is it so far. Just put some nice plastic on the bottom, set up some fans to get some air circulating in here because it was a little humid. It's coming out pretty good. Can't wait to put the car in here and see how much room I'm gonna have to work with. We're back. So, are you gonna tell them what color you got yet?
No.
No?
It's over there on the table swatched, but you can't see it. No.
Oh yeah. Don't worry, I won't show them yet. Alright. Oh, but you won't be able to see what that is until the next video, probably.
Well, you just showed them the paint color.
I'm gonna blur it out.
Oh.
Give it a good smack.
Oh. Oh.
There you go. Okay, careful of your seal. Those are brand new.
Not anymore.
Okay, you're gonna kill it.
No. We got this. Success.
Oh gosh, everything's so dirty. Okay, so we had to take a break for a sec from videoing because we were having kind of a tough time taking panels off because there was some rust, caked on pieces of dirt, and just all kinds of nasty stuff. And the plastic little screws kept coming undone and ripping. There she is.
Ripping?
Yes, the plastic screws.
Oh, yes.
Got it completely stripped, other than the hood, obviously. Yeah, look at this thing. That's the rust we were talking about. Gross. Good thing we're gonna be taking care of that. Oh gosh, it's such a disaster. It's a disaster in here.
I've seen worse.
We're gonna go get food real quick because we're starving.
We're back. We're fed. We're rested.
I'm fat.
And we're gonna put my old Steelies that, aren't they the ones that came on the car?
These are the ones that came in the car?
The ones that came on the car years ago. We're gonna put those on so we don't ruin my fresh wheels and tires.
Oh goodness, these are heavier than I remember.
Oh. Hold on, I'm not ready.
It's coming.
I don't know where to put them all. Let's put those on. And then we can put it in the booth and start sanding the rest of the car. I mean,
yes.
There's a lot.
We'll be alright.
You say that.
It's me. We'll be alright.
Okay, if he says we'll be okay, we'll be okay.
Mildly okay.
Alright, let's put these on. Ready?
It's been a while since we started it up.
I know.
Did you disconnect the battery?
Oh yeah, I forgot to put it back. Sorry. I'll do that. Oh. Alright, now try it.
Hey, looks like we have more power. Alright, we're done, guys. Surprise, we're not painting, we're made a dune buggy. I have no mirror.
Terrible idea. There she sits. Fits great. Now what?
We jacked it up. Put it on the blocks.
Well, it's day 2. And we didn't end the vlog last night because it got very late and it took us about an hour and a half to jack up my car and put on ramps because the plastic was making it slip and slide everywhere. It was a little frightening. But we got it. It's on ramps. It's on blocks. And now we're scrubbing. We have all this stuff to scrub.
Just nasty.
Up there. We got a lot of cleaning to do before we can mask and...
What's going on with my hair?
Someone just woke up and it wasn't me. We're gonna scrub, clean, mask and plastic off everything so we can get to sanding and then we can paint. Prime today.
Tomorrow.
Prime today.
Oh, prime today. Okay. Okay,
Alright.
that's the goal. That's the goal.
Let's start cleaning.
All right, all right.
Alright, we're to the masking phase now. I cleared all this gunk that was along here and through here, around the trunk, all that. Now Brandon's masking off the whole car. Gotta protect those kukui nuts. Had to change my shirt. It's, you know, fresh. Alright, the car is masked and we're ready to sand. That took way too long, but we had to make sure everything was covered, and we're gonna tag team all sides of the car and try and get it done. Let's go! We're dirty, but this is as far as we've gotten. All that. We're working on hand sanding the trunk. We got this side almost done. This is some work, man. But yeah, we gotta get in there. We're gonna paint the whole trunk. Welcome to part 3, guys. What a disaster. Forgot to end the video yesterday, but today it's painting day and Brandon's doing some Bondo work. Hello.
Hello.
How's it going?
Good, just applied the body filler.
Ooh, bubble gum.
Bubble gum, yeah.
Wow. It's almost ready.
Almost.
Almost. I just wanted to be painted already. In the meantime, I can go sand some other panels because we have a lot to do, and we still have body work to do on those other parts.
What? Sanded down all the Bondo that I put down and just trying to see like how smooth it's coming out. It looks like it's coming out pretty good. You can barely see. But she also had a dent right here, and you can see I was putting little marks right here as it was wet to remember where it was. This set I did a little more time on, and it looks fresh.
Come on, you're damaging my paint, man.
Oh, sorry, it's so fresh, I forgot. Hey, what's all that? That's a turbo. What's that going? Oh, you! That's where it's going. Do you want to be part of the video real quick?
Yeah, I'm just cleaning up.
Okay. Okay.